You know, we always end up in this situation. We were in this situation for the Euros as well when we had Scotland for the do or die game. And I feel that we'll be in the same situation come Ukraine. Hopefully we'll be in a better position because hopefully we can get something out of this game against England. I believe that we can get something. I fully believe that we can absolutely get a point. We don't need to come out here and thrash about and want 3 points or nothing. That's not what we're here for. We're here to put on a good performance and get a result that we need.
I'd take a 1-0 win any day of the week. If they offered it to me now and to score a winning goal in front of a potential record-breaking crowd for us women's football team, and yeah, I'd take that now. Probably majority of them will be my family because my mother's raided me for tickets, but yeah, I think hopefully if we perform and we work hard, I think the crowd will see that and cheer us on, and better feeling than being on your home turf with a record-breaking crowd and playing against one of your local rivals. So hopefully it's a good spectacle for everyone else, but we just got to take it as another game and ignore the rest. Well, try and ignore the rest.
It would be great if we get that crowd, but it'll be even greater if they stay and keep following us and not just here for the one big game against England. And that's what we're looking for. We're looking to build a fan base, and hopefully they can start. It has started already, but hopefully it can take big steps tomorrow.